Today we'll talk about peanuts, which is actually taken very casually. We can see it scattered all over. But why do we need peanuts? The reasons I will give you today. Peanuts provides us with lots of proteins. It completes the need of oil in our body. In winters, our body actually needs a lot of heat, which can be easily gained from fatty substances, which is present in butter, oil. These are the substances that have natural source of heat. So among these, the best source is peanut, which provides proteins, and also along with it fulfills the need of oil in our body and is an instant source of energy. So during breakfast, if the dishes with some added peanuts into it are consumed, kids will get prevented from dizziness that they sometimes suffer from at school, and they will also have instant energy to play actively during the daytime. So this winter, consume more of peanuts, sesame seeds, which will protect your body from cold and will keep you hale and hearty and active all the time. So this small little peanut has a lot of qualities which give you instant energy and proteins. Along with this, there is one special benefit of proteins, that it provides stored energy as well. It releases stored energy, so along with instant energy, it fulfills the daily need of our body. So you can make sure that during breakfast, you can consume peanuts in form of puffed rice dish, and also make peanut butter spread and make peanut butter sandwich. You can use however you want to, but do add peanuts in your diet and get kids habitual of eating peanuts.